Yo, welcome back to the FTV channel, bro.
Hi, I'm on YouTube. Hi.
So today is like another vlog number 2. We're gonna go ahead and wash this little dirty car over here. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that. I think we're also gonna do some mods. I wasn't gonna do it, but my boy, he wanted to go ahead and do it, so we're gonna go ahead and do that.
Oh, the car, bro, it's hot.
Bro, it's unnecessary. I don't even know, man. Let's see what this thing says. Heat up. 93 degrees. Like this video if you're from Virginia though, because we're not used to this heat. We're some bitches, I guess, compared to California.
Just like the video, we need likes.
We do. Send the love. You know?
It's hot, bro.
I know. Hold on. There we go. I had to open up the sunroof just a little bit to look cool. Get some of the heat out. God, bad.
You on here, boy? Bruh, his hood is... What is janky? 2 JZ engine.
We got the essentials, you know, we got the LED fog lights, some stickers over here, which with my address on it.
We don't care, bro. No one's gonna want this bum Honda Civic anyway.
And then we got some stickers and some fog lights. Just some parts for this janky ass Civic. The whole thing just collapses. Honestly, surprised it hasn't done it yet. If any of you know, this bumper comes out really easily. That's 1. That's 2. The only tool I'm gonna need, if I can find the right one, and that. Meanwhile, I'm unscrewing it. How's y'all's day going? Mine sucks. Had a long days at work. I get treated like shit. I cried yesterday when I came home from work. About 10 o'clock.
Bro, they don't care.
I parked my car.
They don't care.
And then...
They don't care.
I was listening to some music.
They don't care. We average like 4 views. And it's probably my girl, your girl. Like us.
That's it, yeah.
Oh, damn.
The whole thing collapsed. Simple as that. I have this bracket. Don't even know what is holding anything.
It's supposed to hold the light, but I broke it.
But it's still there, you know? It's just make it look like it's there.
Actually, it's supposed to hold the bumper.
It's down now. Let's see. Fog light out. Devin, why don't you explain to yourself to them?
Explain what?
Explain why you've been gone for so long.
Because I've been working.
You put no grind in this. Oh shit, I fucked it up.
Wait, what? What'd you do?
I ripped this off. I think I'm fine, right?
Dude, just push it back in. You're fine.
Wait, hold up. How do you take this off? I'm being an idiot. Okay, here we go.
You're dumb.
HIDs are gone.
Those aren't even HIDs. These are halogens. You don't even know your own car. Bro, just push it in.
How?
Bro, you don't know anything. Hold the camera. Get your bum, bro.
Do you even know what you're doing?
Yeah. Boom. Actually, I think you really did fuck it up.
Dude, I think it's broken, bro.
It's not broken. You just kind of messed it up a lot. Way to go, Louis.
Well, we got one working. And then that one's janked or upright.
Yeah. come when we do a car mod?
Nothing ever happens right.
I mean, it's your fault, honestly.
No, yeah, that's true.
I mean, it's there. Come on, we'll see if it
We have
works.
these LEDs though.
We'll see if it works. Let me see one.
There we go. I guess we're gonna go ahead and try it out. See if it works.
Keys in the car?
This should be.
What are you at, though?
Oh, they're in my pocket. Please work. Please work. Fingers crossed. No, they do not work. Wait, turn it around.
Huh?
Maybe you switch it around. But I think it's busted, bro. I think I turned out that I broke it. That's sucks.
Yeah, you broke it.
We got one rigging. Show them what you did, bro. Show them what you did.
Bro, just popped it back in.
My boy. El mecánico.
Christian,
El mecánico.
plug it in. I mean, turn it on. Cause
It's on.
what up?
Probably have to
Turn
switch it around.
Turn on. There you go. Turn it on.
Yo, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that.
It's like ET's finger. Road again.
Alright, now since we got those on, I guess we'll just go ahead and do the fog lights itself.
I can't wait to get
Nice
on.
little bolts right there. And over there. So what you doing here?
I'm unscrewing this hoe. This janky ass burnt film covered.
Show them that shit, bro. Look at that.
Dude, who did this, bro? Who did this?
That was you, bro.
I don't recall that.
Go ahead and take this one off here. Something slight, you know, with one hand and the other one holding the camera. Nothing big. Got this one over here. Damn, this joint is rusted as hell.
Can you stop cursing?
What'd you say?
Can you stop cursing?
I'm not cursing.
Hey, you are.
This is a family channel. Hey. Oh wow. Oh, look at this. Yeah, bro, these were due because look, this is burnt, and then the film, and then this one over here, it's pretty much cracked. Like if you could see right there. Yeah, these are pretty much trash.
Oh, feminist trash.
Really? Yo, pass me another headlight.
Headlight.
I mean fog light. Let's see.
Ah. Damn it. Okay.
So we got the fog lights in now. We had to switch out the old brackets for it. That's a lot better too. Yeah, we had to switch out because these are the new brackets, but they weren't fitting in properly, so we took off the brackets from the old one. And then now the fitment's pretty good. We just gotta, I'm just wondering how the output's gonna be. Let's see how that looks. That looks way better than before. The LEDs do make a difference, honestly. LEDs are way better than HIDs, but we had just halogens in before. So I guess he's gonna go ahead and take off the sticker too. Like this video, if you like his labor. Still haven't gotten his water bottle, I just remember about that.
I just remember too.
But yeah, we're gonna replace this with something that looks way better.
This is my sticker that has been in the car.
Gonna
Like,
put this joint.
Ever.
Notice me, senpai.
Tuning on you, bro.
Alright, we'll switch out the sticker in 3, 2, 1. And then boom! Look at that. That's the sticker right there for the front windshield. Like we had the Forever Broke before, but now it's the It's Okay thing with the heart right there. I think it really adds on to the aesthetic of the car. Looks pretty good. And then for the side, we used to have a Kakashi sticker, like if you've seen in the last video, but this we have a Nezuko sticker and we have the Notice Me Senpai thing. So it looks pretty good. You ready to go to the car wash, bro? You ready to go wash this car?
You got my shot for my IG post, bro. Let's go.
That's Devin. That was Devin.
Oh, hi, Devin.
I don't think he gave. How much for one of those, kid?
Hey, Maserati.
Oh shit. Wait.
He gave you a note?
thanks for tuning in to another FTB video. I hope you guys liked today's video. It was pretty much like a vlog with the car wash and all that good stuff. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down there. Hit that notification bell up in right in the corner as well. Stay in tune with all these episodes, and I'll catch y'all on the next vlog. Peace.